Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a stop motion video in CapCut PC. So basically just take pictures of like an object and just like move it around. Make sure when you move it, you don't put your finger in it, of course. So like move it, take a picture, move it, take a picture, etc, etc. So I'm just going to grab that stop motion folder. I'm just going to drag it to the the media tab. Go to menu, go to settings. I'm going to go to edit and I'm going to put the image duration to 0.1 seconds for all of my photos. Press save. Then I'm just going to select everything and I'm just going to add it to the timeline, and it's just going to animate it by itself, and it's like perfect because like you don't have to set the duration one by one to 1 second. It just does it by itself. That is my stop motion video. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!